Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this amazing playpen for dogs. Now this is great for my little Shih Tzus here because this is a nice size. There are 24 of these metal fences right here. Super simple to put apart, and you can put them however you want. All you've got to do is they each have this own little metal rod that goes right through the four of them, and then you just line it up. And if you have it outside, you can just poke it right into the ground and keep it all stable. That way it is not going anywhere. I love how flexible this is. These are about 24 inches high and they about 44 feet if you were just to do a straight across line. And they each have doors, and not just one door. They actually have 3 doors in this set. And dogs, if you got some smart dogs, this actually stops them because you have to actually lift up on both of these and then you can open up the door. That way the dogs can come in and out as they please if you want to have it open. If not, close them up, locks it right in there. That way your dogs are in there, you know where they are, they have a nice big running space. This would be great for all sorts of different pets to have indoors or outdoors.